Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So to begin a screen recording process, you simply have to either use a combination of Windows, Shift and R buttons like this, or instead you can use a print screen button that is located right here. And once you press one of these buttons, you'll first have to select a camera option, which is the second one. And after that, select an area of your screen that you want to start recording, like this. And you can also reshape and resize it by dragging the corners or the sides of it. And when you're ready to start recording, you can click Start. And right here you can also see two icons. Clicking this one will unmute your microphone, and clicking this one will mute system audio on your laptop. So when you're ready, select Start, let it access your microphone, and right now you can see two more additional buttons right here. This one pauses the video, and this one stops and saves your recording, and this one deletes the recording without saving. And we'll be able to see everything that happens within this area of recording. So when you're ready to stop, just click this red square icon. And right now we'll be able to see the entire recording. And we can also edit it in Clip Jump by clicking it right here. And we can find this recording once it was made in the File Explorer, in the Videos folder, in Screen Recordings. So here is the recording. And that's basically all. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.